Hi, hello viewers. Alright, now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to calculate relative molecular mass of a particular compound, right? Even if the compound formula was not given to us, I'm going to show you how to get the compound and then calculate for its relative molecular mass. But if you have not followed this page or subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that. Alright, now let's continue. Now the question here is we are asked to calculate for the relative molecular mass of these two compounds, sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate and ammonium tetraoxosulfate 6. Alright, now let's start from sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate. Now, in order for us to calculate the molar mass of this particular compound, we have to know, or we have to identify the formula. Now let's simply identify the formula, and remember it is sodium. The name here says sodium trioxo, which means the oxo is appearing 3 times, carbonate, and you also see that it has decahydrate. Deca is a Greek prefix for 10, right? So when you hear the word deca, it simply means 10. And 10 words, 10 hydrates, meaning 10 molecules of water. Now, we also know that the formula CO3 2- has 2 valency or oxidation number of 2, and sodium has oxidation number of 1. So when you cross multiply them, or when you use the scissors method of writing them, you are going to find out that sodium will have 2 at this point. So this is the formula for that: sodium trioxocarbonate 4 decahydrate. Deca means 10 and hydrate means water. Alright, let's simply calculate that. And in that question, we are given that sodium is 23. So this sodium here is 23 times 2, because sodium is appearing twice here, plus carbon, which is 12, plus oxygen 16 appearing 3 times, plus 10 molecules of water, hydrogen. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 16. Alright, now we've simply identified them using their mass numbers. Now let's simplify using our addition and multiplication to get the mass of that. And if we simply do that, 23 times 2 will give us 46, plus 12 plus 16 times 3 gives us 48. Plus, now this is 10, and we know this is 18, right? 10 times 18 gives us 180. So here is 180 plus 48 plus 12 plus 46. And if you simply do that, our final answer will be equal to 286 gram per mole. Now gram per mole is a unit for molar mass. Alright, now let's take the second question. We are asked to calculate for the mass of ammonium tetraoxosulfate, and the formula for ammonium is this, which is ammonium tetraoxosulfate. Tetra is 4, oxosulfate. Now we also know that SO4 has an oxidation number of -2. So since it has an oxidation number of -2 and ammonium has oxidation number of -1, this will be, if we cross multiply them, 2 here will go into this ammonium and SO4. So this is the formula for ammonium tetraoxosulfate 6. It simply means that 2 of ammonium, it requires 2 of ammonium to combine with SO4, because the oxidation number of SO4 is -2 and ammonium is +1. So if you simply take this 2 here and the 1 here, and that formula is going to be like that. Alright, now let's simply do that. And the mass for nitrogen, we are given that is 14, right? plus hydrogen, which is 1 times 4, which is 4, all multiplied by 2 because of this 2 here, plus sulfur, which is 32, plus oxygen 16 times 4 because oxygen is appearing 4 times. Alright, now we've identified their mass numbers in respect to the number of atoms. Now let's simplify that. 14 plus 4 gives us 18, and 18 times 2 gives us 36 plus 32, plus 16 times 4 gives us 64. And to simplify that, plus 32 plus 36 gives us 132 grams per mole. So the molar mass of ammonium tetraoxosulfate 6 is 132 grams per mole. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.